gotta get it together. We gotta get it together. We gotta get it together. All of the youth them get it together. Stop from killing out one another. Live good, the youths them must prosper. Do it for your mother and do it for your brothers. Hey, look at your father crying. Everybody now get up and go to the judge and beg for mercy for his child. Why? The parents crying. They have to find the money to bail him. They don't even have a job. The youth them frustrated because it's the system. Population control. So they make sure you have no jobs. That means you have no money. Equal frustration. That simply mean any little thing. You would have want kill your brother. You would have want hurt your sister. You would have want fight one another. The lack of a dollar. Get it together. We gotta get it together now. Yeah. Get it together. We gotta get it together. Hey, get it together. We gotta get it together now. You get it together. We gotta get it together. Yo, fake pastors, fake priests, fake doctrine. That is what they use brainwashing, putting fear in the people. Just to pay tithes, offerings, and then when you check the heights, they're in private jets day and night, and they don't care who really hungry. I fight for the poor and the needy. Yeah, get it together now, you gotta get it together. We gotta get it together. Yo, get it together. We gotta get it together now, yo. Get it together. For a mother and father. Hey! We're tired of the shit stem. We're tired of the lies that they're telling. We're tired of the stealing. And we're tired of the taxes easing. Stop World War III, please. Think for the children's future. We need some good conscious people to run the system. Yeah, people who have visions for 100 years now, 1,000 years, yo, what the future will be like now. Not the ones who will rob and steal just for today, and don't care what happened to tomorrow, and the kids and the grandchildren's future. Get it together. We got to get it together now. Yo, get it together. We gotta get it together. Hey, get it together. We gotta get it together now. Yo.